Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Finn. Today we're going to make a special Easter dinner. I've got my special stool. First, I preheat the oven to 425 degrees. For this recipe, you need a leg of lamb, anchovies, lemon, garlic, unsalted butter, pepper, and wine. Put the leg of lamb on your cutting board.
Oh, jeez, it's heavy. Wait, I think I got it. Oh, yeah.
Cut slits all around the lamb, about an inch apart. Now we're going to grind things. Drain your anchovies. Put about 2/3 of them into your mortar. I'm going to cut some rosemary from the rosemary plant. Fold the rosemary twig upside down and run your fingers down it to pull all the leaves, like a shish kebab. Take 6 cloves of garlic and Super Smash Brothers them out of existence! K.O. Peel each clove of garlic and put it into the press. Squeeze them until they're a pulpy mess. Make sure to get all the excess. Now use your pestle and grind up your anchovies, rosemary, and garlic into mush.
Woohoo! I get to cook.
Stuff the slits in the lamb with the mush. Mush, mushity mush, mush. Huh? Oh, mush, mush. Place your lamb in the roasting pan. Place your lamb in the roasting pan. Center it so it doesn't stick to the side. We don't want that. Put the remaining anchovies in the mortar. Ah, that's hot! Take 2 tablespoons of hot melted butter. Carefully mix it together into liquid goodness. Pour your liquid goodness evenly over your lamb and spread it out everywhere. Use every last bit. Massage it into the lamb with your hands. Rub-a-dub-dub, 2 pieces of lamb in my tub. Then wash your hands.
I feel the fat from the butter on me, but once I dry it, it will come off.
Now squeeze a lemon all over your lamb, letting it drip, drip, drip everywhere. Finally, pour some wine. Just why? Pour some wine. You need to pour some wine? Why is this happening to me?
Something's stuck. Wiggle, wiggle. Yay! It's like the 17th time. 17th time's the charm.
Pour the wine all around the lamb, but not the counter. Tap, tap, tap some pepper all over. Carry it over to the oven and open the oven carefully. Woo, doggy, that's hot! Put your lamb in the oven for 15 minutes. During those 15 minutes, you can prep your sides.
I hear it. Oh. Oh.
Reduce the heat and set your timer for 90 minutes. Now it's time to play some games. While we wait,
That wouldn't go in. Wait, yeah, it did.
I don't know. Time's up. Got to check the lamb's temperature. 143 degrees. It's perfect. That looks magical. See what I did there? Lambs go ba, and I did ma.
Happy Easter, everyone. This has been Cooking with me.
Check out my Easter side videos to see how I cook the rest of the meal. Keep cooking and stay safe, everyone.
Hey, if you enjoyed Cooking with Finn, do him a favor and hit that like button and click the subscribe button if you want to be alerted to whenever he live streams or uploads. Thanks so much.